Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to practice on Duolingo using an easy method. First, navigate to the Practice tab. This area is specifically designed for reviewing material you've already learned. Make sure to complete your daily personalized practice sessions. They adapt to your needs. Try to dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to these focused exercises. Consistent, short bursts of practice are far more effective than infrequent, long sessions for solidifying your language skills. To maximize your practice, actively use Duolingo's various features. Revisit lessons you've already completed to reinforce vocabulary and grammar points. The Mistakes Review feature is incredibly valuable. It helps you identify and correct specific errors, preventing them from becoming habits. Don't forget to engage with stories for a fun way to improve your listening and reading comprehension in a conversational context. These short narratives provide practical language use. Consistency is truly the secret to success in language learning. Strive to maintain a daily streak. This helps build a strong habit of regular engagement. Set yourself achievable daily XP goals, perhaps aiming for 50 experience points each day, which is easily done with a few practice sessions. Also, make it a point to regularly review your weak words. This targeted practice directly addresses areas where you need more reinforcement, strengthening your memory over time. To further enhance your learning, don't shy away from speaking exercises. They are crucial for improving your pronunciation and confidence. Always take a moment to read the lesson tips before starting new units. They often contain valuable grammar explanations. Once you feel confident, consider tackling the legendary levels for a more advanced challenge. By consistently applying these easy methods, you will steadily build and retain your new language skills effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.